My good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I don't come your scream, I don't come your domot with another legit intel, with another breaking news on the things and things they go on for inside this our nation, Nigeria. The koko now we say one federal high court today for inside Port Harcourt will be the capital of Rivers State. They don't drop announcement. This now on the 21st day of January for inside the year 2025. Now they go deliver their ruling concerning one case wey dey filed by the Labour Party sake of the defection of the 27 lawmakers. The lawmakers now will be say before they be members of the People's Democratic Party wey be PDP. Last they can't switch side, they can't cross carpet, they can't change alliance to the All Progressive Congress wey be APC. And all this level dey happen inside last year wey be 2023. And the thing dey happen during the political crisis wey dey happen for inside the People's Democratic Party. The Labour Party now come dey argue say as these lawmakers wey dey align with the former Rivers State Governor and the current Minister of the Federal Capital Territory wey be Wike, as they don wash their hand comot for the matter of the People's Democratic Party, that they come go join body with the All Progressive Congress, they suppose lose their seat in the State Assembly sake of say they don comot body from the People's Democratic Party wey they been dey before they come dey elected for the Rivers State House of Assembly. Like this now, the Labour Party they come dey yarn, they come dey ask the court to declare the seats of those lawmakers vacant and order fresh elections to replace the lawmakers wey don comot. This my good people na the suit wey the Labour Party dem file for court, and you see this particular suit they don label am FHC/PH/25/2024, and for inside this suit, my good people, the Labour Party they question the legitimacy of defections, and they come dey urge the Independent National Electoral Commission wey be INEC, so make dem step into this particular matter, make dem put body and make dem organize by-elections for the contested seats. Meanwhile, another related case dey ground, and this suit was very much filed by Honorable Victor Okojumbo and 3 other lawmakers wey dey loyal to the current Rivers State Governor wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara. And the pro-Fubara legislators dem too dey demand say the 27 lawmakers wey don comot body from the People's Democratic Party go the All Progressive Congress, they should be banned from identifying themselves as State Assembly members. On the 10th day of December for inside this year 2024, the court go hear arguments on this very particular matter, and all these levels, my good people, it dey happen sake of say the Rivers State Governor wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara and Oga Wike wey be the Minister of FCT, dem get political beef. They don dey quarter since 2023, and these two mature men now, nobody wan gree for each other. They dey battle who go get control over Rivers State. They dey battle for the structure of Rivers State. This their political beef now, e don make the Rivers State House of Assembly come divide into two. Some faction dey support the former governor of Rivers State and the current Minister of FCT wey be Oga Wike, while the other factor dey support the current governor of Rivers State wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara. And this political beef don woski, e don worwor to the extent wey be say Oga Wike come outside for national TV come dey yarn say he no go lie forgive the Rivers State governor, and he go continue to dey battle the man. Only him go be the challenge wey Oga Fubara go dey face for this in administration, and he go continue to dey put sansan for inside the garri of Oga Siminalayi Fubara wey be the current governor of Rivers State. Now, sake of say Oga Fubara conduct local government elections when Oga Wike be no want make the thing happen, he come make some kind men now wey dey support Oga Wike come dey para, and then para to the extent wey be say they come dey destroy things. They can't go even set fire for some secretariats wey dey for inside some local government areas. Then the Rivers State government can establish the Judicial Commission of Inquiry, where they investigate the violence, where they investigate the katakata and property destruction wey happen for inside some kind local government areas of the state. But when they can invite Oga Wike, make him come talk some kind things wey he know about the movement. The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory wey be Oga Wike, he no gree show up. Nobody know the reasons, nobody know the motive for declining. But you see the 7-member panel, it was very much inaugurated by Governor Siminalayi Fubara for inside the month of October. And the chairperson of this panel na Justice Ibiwingi Minakiri. The purpose of this panel, my good people, na to torchlight the incidents of violence, to investigate the matter and to know who and who they involved, and they are very much expected to conclude this their investigation, this their work within a month. The commission now come invite Oga Nyesom Wike, wey be former governor of Rivers State and he na the current minister of the FCT, to make him come provide clarification on certain matters during their final sitting on the 19th day of November for inside this year 2024. Now upon say this panel, they don summon Oga Nyesom Wike through different ways and means, even public advertisement. Oga Nyesom Wike failed to attend or even send legal representation. Justice Minakere now will be the chairperson of the panel, come dey express her disappointment over the absence of Oga Nyesom Wike, and he come dey yarn say dem don already reserve their final sitting exclusively for the appearance of the minister. The panel come dey yarn say the absence of other invitees wey be Chief Tony Okocha, caretaker committee chairman of the All Progressive Congress for inside Rivers State. But despite the setbacks, the commission can still conclude on their proceedings and then plan to submit their findings to the state government. And based on information we gather, my good people, Justice Minakere, wey be the chairperson of the panel, he talk plenty. He emphasize on the importance of this inquiry for the people of Rivers State, and he can give thanks to stakeholders for their cooperation. And their hope be say this very particular report now go serve the best interest of Rivers State and the countrymen wey dey live for inside Rivers State. But however, my good people, as Oga Nyesom Wike no show up, as he no honor the invitation of the panel, and he no send a legal representative, that is, as he no fit come, he no send somebody to come stand for him, it no make sense at all. If you be say he know very well say him hand no clean, if you be say he know very well say na he set compass wey make those men now come go scatter several local government secretariats dem wey dey for inside some kind local government areas, and he know say if he show up, they go ask am some kind questions and they go come find out say he dey involved. Maybe that's na why he decline, that na why he no last turn up, or maybe he just dey feel as if even if he no come, say nothing go happen, they no go fit do am anything. Or maybe the minister was very much busy to the extent the thing can't slip in mind. Oga never come outside come yarn about the matter, but if he talk and be rest assured, say I will share and give the general public. This my good people now the informate wey I want share give all of us. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. This na Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey happen for inside the nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first receive the updates and you go get am. They come your side again with another legit intel for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.